My name is Kulbhushan Nayyar. I'm 82 years old. I'm living in the house in Old Rajendra. This house is 70 years old. I've been staying since then. We could not climb the stairs now as I'm 82 years old. Even my wife cannot climb stairs. So we selected Nibav, which is a very good lift and very nice. So we are using the lift now, which is very comfortable. It has been very nice. Now we are very comfortable with it. We can go up and go down without any strain on our body, our mind. It's very convenient for us. This lift is very safe because whenever the light goes, there's no electricity, it goes down itself automatically. So there is no risk. It's risk-free. As this lift is transparent, we do not feel any claustrophobia, and it's very nice for us. This lift is being used by my wife and myself. Even the guests who cannot climb stairs, they come in this lift and go down in this lift. They are also happy. Now they can come again and again to meet us. This lift is very nice. I recommend it to everyone. During installation, I had no difficulty. The people were doing themselves, and I did not face any problem. As this lift is very convenient for people of old age, even my friends, my relatives are old age, I will recommend them this lift as it is very safe and convenient.